Hey y'all, it's Leah. First things first, I'm pretty sure you guys noticed I've changed my name to Loving Leah. Leah losing pounds just wasn't doing it for me because my life isn't just about me losing weight. There's so many other factors into my life. Um, so the last time that I posted a video was May 9th. That was right after I told you guys that I quit my job and I had took a break and went to Orlando for a week to basically just like spend time with my boyfriend, spend time with myself, and kind of just like explore um, a little bit more. And I had a great time. I went to like a lot of different like little nature parks, kind of like got in tune with myself, whatever the case may be. The next week on, I have like a little notes right here. The next week on the 11th, I graduated with my AA and elementary education. So basically, when I got back on the 9th, I just kind of like prepped for graduation. I did not think I was going to go to graduation. But my boyfriend was like, no, you should do it. Like, you've worked hard for it, this, that, and the third. Y'all, I went to school for 10 years, off and on, just paying for school out of pocket. I'm completely debt free when it comes to school. And so I did work really hard to pay for it out of pocket by myself. So with that being said, I was like, yeah, I probably should like walk the stage. So I did. And then so I celebrated like that whole day. I went to like different places around town and like basically just like took pictures and really just like celebrated myself. And that's something that I normally don't do. I normally don't celebrate myself. So I was really happy about that. After that, I kind of was supposed to go take my GK test, but I did not. I ended up going to the dentist on Monday the 17th, and they told me that I needed to get my wisdom teeth taken out like ASAP. Like I kept telling them that it was like hurting. I had went to the dentist earlier that the month. Yeah, early in the month of May, and they told me to go see an oral surgeon. So when I went to go see the oral surgeon was like, boom, like, we can get these taken out this week. Y'all, my teeth used to hurt me so bad. I used to be at work crying with the kids. Like, my teeth used to hurt so bad. Like, the kids be crying, I be crying, they be teething, my teeth be coming in. Like, it was bad. So, when they told me I can get my teeth taken out, like, that Friday, which was last Friday, the 21st, y'all, I went and got my teeth taken out. Like, I wasn't even playing. Like, I didn't record anything or anything like that. Like, I was so focused on just, like, being happy that something I wanted for so long was being, like, gonna be handled. Like, and I thought it was gonna be way more expensive. Y'all, I don't have insurance. So, I thought it was gonna be, like, a lot of money. Man, that man told me it was $1,700, and I was like, are you serious? I've been sitting with this pain for something I could have got done for $1,700. Like, are you serious? Like, we could have been did this. So, we ended up getting the teeth taken out over the case. It was 3. Y'all, my mouth still hurt. It's still swollen, but nothing compares to the pain of like that cavity I had. Like, I had a big hole in my tooth. Y'all, I've never had a cavity before. But my wisdom teeth grew cavities, and bro, when I tell you, it hurt so bad. I was just so glad that it was like over and done with. So I did move my GK test back only because I was finna have the surgery. So I moved it back to the 11th of January. June. The 11th of June. Anyways, so I didn't take my GK test on the 19th. And it gave me extra time to study because I was so worried about getting my teeth pulled. I did not even like study at all for my GK test. But yeah, I talked to the people at school to be put in like for the bachelor's program, and all they're waiting on basically is my test, and that doesn't happen till August. So I still have a month in between to make sure that they get my test graded and stuff like that before I go in. So yeah, I'm really excited to be going, like, to be working on my bachelor's in the fall. So yeah. Oh, also, my pen pal sent me some stuff. She sent me, I'm not gonna show y'all. She sent me like these little cards. And so basically what's happening is like people write their address on the inside, and like you send them to the next pen pal. So I'm going to write everybody on this list and basically just tell them like, hey, thanks, like it was a really cool idea. Thanks, like if you guys are looking for pen pals, like, hey, what's up? So yeah, so I think that's very exciting. Also, what have I been up to? I've been like really just like relaxing, getting like to myself, y'all. Like when I said I was taking that break from work, I really meant it. Like I haven't done anything like work related, including YouTube. So with that being said, I am like a lot better. Like my anxiety, I don't take my anxiety medicine anymore. So I'm really excited to see what the next like journey like leads to. Like I take time out for myself when I'm feeling overwhelmed. I make sure to like recenter. I went and got some like crystals. We have way more plants now. Like y'all, every day I look at my house is getting like greener and greener. Like it's so fun, it's so cute. Like I really enjoy like all my plants and stuff like that. Even like just around the house and like doing stuff, I don't do nearly as much like mental work as I used to do. Like I would sit down at my desk and then do something and then redo it and then redo it and then redo it and redo it. Like I don't. Like I sit, I kind of think of a plan and I kind of like execute it. So I'm learning how to actually not overthink, if that makes sense. Yeah, so that's basically what I've been up to. Like I say, today is the 25th. And yeah, it's just a short video to like basically, oh, I won't be posting this though until the 30th. Maybe I can post it today. Nah, I'll wait till the 30th. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till the 30th. But yeah, so I'm gonna be back ready. My Instagram is changed to Loving Leah. But I'm so ready for June and just like my new adventure. Like I'm gonna be starting a job. I don't know which job I'm gonna be starting, but I'm gonna be starting somebody's job because I'm bored in a house bored. But yeah, so I'm gonna be starting a new job, and I'm just basically gonna be doing a lot more. Like I want to keep up with my Instagram and stuff like that. Like kind of get back to like me. Oh yeah, I don't know if I ever showed y'all this. This is my planner. I don't know if y'all can see this. Do what they think you can't do. I love this planner. I only keep what do you call this thing? I only keep a quarter in at a time. So April, May, and June is in here. This is the last month of the quarter. I insert like how I have not been using my planner, but I do plan on using it for the month of June. And my June goals are, I want to weigh 240. Y'all get my wisdom teeth pulled out. Like when I first started, I was not weighing 250. Like I was like 245 or some stuff like that, right? Which I don't mind. I don't want to be 250. That's the only thing. Like I don't want to be 250. I don't mind my size. I don't like. I want to be healthier, yes, but I'm not like sad that I'm 240 or was 240. But now I'm 250. I don't like to be 250 because I feel like that's just too close. A lot of stuff like you can't do at that weight. So I want to go ahead and get down to 240, but we get my wisdom teeth pulled out. Y'all had to eat nothing but like soft food, ice cream all day. Like that's what I ate, ice cream and juice. Like especially like the first 2 days, just ice cream and juice. Like this side still hurt more, but that's only because this one I actually had to have like, they had to cut my gum open and like actually like pull the tooth out like bit by bit, versus like these two they just was like to pull out. But yeah, so I want to go ahead and get back down to, well, I want to get down to 240, and then just go ahead and really start on my weight loss journey again in June. I want to start working. Okay, so let me just run down. So I want to weigh 240. I want to start working. I want to stay on a budget. I want to stay on a routine, and I want to make sure that I keep my daily me time in there as well. And that could look in a very, like, that can like be seen in various ways. Like, y'all, I don't know what I spilled on my shirt. Something I was eating, probably pasta sauce. Like it could be a various things. Like it could be meditation. It could be me coloring. It could be like me, I don't know, taking a walk, painting my nails. Like I love to paint my nails. I hate going to the nail shop, but I love to see like color on my nails. So if you ever see like, it's because I just sit down and like I do a lot of gel nails, and I sit down and I just paint my nails because that's something I love to do. Yeah, so it could be like any of those things. I don't count like me really doing my hair as like a me time. Like right now my hair is done out of necessity because I was refusing to let this 4B hair knot up. Like I knew for a fact that with all the medications that I was gonna be on and stuff like that, that I wasn't gonna be able to tend to my hair the way I needed to tend to it, and it was already like getting real dry. So I just put these in to like hold it real quick. But y'all, Memorial Day weekend is coming up, and I might need to do something different with this hair. But I do plan on, like, I'm going to vlog my Memorial Day weekend for y'all over the Kiss and Peak. I don't know how I like these vlog style videos, but we going to see. But yeah, so those are my June goals. That is what I plan on doing. I don't want to make this video too long because it really is just supposed to be an update video. And like I said, I do plan on being back active with everything. I don't know if y'all care or not. Don't care if y'all don't care. Y'all can like, comment, subscribe, dislike this video. Whatever y'all need to do, this is for me. All right. See y'all later. Love and live.